from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, showers and a few storms were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles south of Okaloosa Deepwater Reef to 26 nautical miles southwest of Oriskany Reef to 51 nautical miles south of Farewell Buoy, moving south at 30 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots will be possible along and well behind these showers. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Okaloosa Deepwater Reef and Oriskany Reef. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until midnight Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles. And waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles. This is NOAA Weather Radio.